Okay, Mugdha, as you know that our school is the SSC center
Yes.
for boards, so we have to plan it very meticulously, the sitting arrangements and everything.
Yeah.
Seeing into protocol, seeing all the protocols of the corona.
Yes. We made a plan. Just I will show you that.
The sitting arrangement plan.
Yes.
Okay.
I will show you that plan. See, we are going to plan only 15 students in one class. Our arrangement is 25 students.
Yes.
But we will make it in such a way that it will be 15 students in one class. Sanitization every day we will do. Then bottle of sanitizer will be kept outside the door each. That also we will do. Okay, so accordingly we will go for it. And then papers and all that also we will properly see to it here that we will get to the students with all the COVID rules
Right.
followed. Yes.
Fine. This is okay.
Next week's planning, we are going to take this, count and write the numbers. We count these objects and write the number here. Like this, count and write the number.
Match. Any more activities you are taking online?
Yes, ma'am. This week we are going to take this and they will pencil paste. They will paste it here and color the other picture.
This is completed. Other things?
Yes.
Numbers 1 to 50.
1 to 50 we have finished now. Like this. Now all question is physics.
शुभम एक 4 to 1 8 बघ जियर हो चव्हाण अशोक उत्कर्ष आईचं नाव वैष्णवी आणि बर्थ डेट बघा बरं 28/3/2014 आहे करेक्ट आणि कास्ट हिंदू भोई त्याच्या पुढे 4 to 1 9 कळंबे सलोनी विकास आईचं नाव मनीषा आहे बर्थ डेट 8/9/2013 कास्ट आहे हिंदू मराठी बर्थ प्लेस पुणे.
For 6th, 7th, 8th standard, we are teaching Scratch. Okay, Shweta. So, I think we have to prepare some animation, for example, to show them. So, what do you think?
Okay. I think so. We can take different topics for each standard. Underwater fish scene or children playing on the football
Yes,
on playground. This scene
yes.
which will make children can add their own ideas that will make their drawing more creative and.
सरस्वतीयं विद्यानां देवता ज्ञानदायिनी अस्यां वरदहस्तेन ज्ञानवान् खलु मानवः. ज्ञान की देवता सरस्वती है, वह ज्ञान देने वाली है. उसके आशीष से मनुष्य निश्चित ही ज्ञानी होता है.
There is no force more powerful than women determined to rise up. On this auspicious occasion, of Women's Day, let us present a poem, Count All the Way You Are Beautiful.
Count the way you are beautiful, your soul and your spirit, your brilliant body and the wonder within it.
Your heart full of love and your mind full of care.
Your eyes full of awe, your lungs full of air,
Your chest full of pride, your muscles full of strength,
your brain full of questions, your compassion innate
that roots you in good, right and true. You are a miracle, unique through and through. So, count all the ways you are beautiful and always be proud of you.
उतू नको, मातू नको, घेतला वसा टाकू नको.
वसा कोणता वसा?
वसा मराठी भाषा समृद्धीचा, वसा मराठी संस्कृतीच्या जतनाचा. चैत्र महिन्याची लागताचा पालवी फुटते झाडांना, गुढी उभारून नववर्षाच्या शुभेच्छा देतो साऱ्यांना.
आपणा सर्वांस गुढीपाडव्याच्या व येणाऱ्या नूतन वर्षाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. उत्सवाचा विशेषतः लहानांपासून मोठ्यांपर्यंतच सर्वांच्याच आवडीचा श्रावण मास. नागपंचमीचे झोके, बहिणीने प्रेमाने बांधलेली भावाला राखी, मंगळागौरीचे खेळ, श्रीकृष्ण जन्माचे स्वागत, व्रत, वैकल्य आणि बरेच काही घेऊन येणाऱ्या आपल्या आवडीचा श्रावण मास.
आणि या श्रावण मासाला लागोपाठ येतो गणपती आणि गौरी, आणि त्याबरोबरच नवरात्र आणि दसरा. आणि मनाला उत्साह देणारा, आनंद निर्माण करणारा, नव चैतन्य निर्माण करणारा, फटाक्यांची आतिषबाजीने सौंदर्य दाखवणारा, दिव्यांच्या झगमगाटीने दरे फुलवणारा आणि आप्तेष्टांच्या भेटीगाठी घडवून आणणारा, फराळांची भेटवस्तूंची देवाणघेवाण करणारा, सगळ्यांच्या मनामध्ये आनंद, उत्साह, नवचैतन्य निर्माण करणारा, सगळ्यांच्या आवडीचा लोकप्रिय असा दिवाळी सण.
असेच सण साजरे करूया भारतीय संस्कृतीला समृद्ध. साजरे करून हे सण, चला तर मग
आपण करूया
मराठी संस्कृतीचे जतन, मराठी संस्कृतीचे जतन, मराठी संस्कृतीचे जतन.
आज विभिन्न क्षेत्रों में अलग अलग महिलाओं ने अलग अलग क्षेत्रों में कामयाबी हासिल की है, लेकिन क्या हम जानते हैं इन सब की कामयाबी के पीछे कई ऐसी महिलाओं की कुर्बानी है जिनकी बुनियाद, आज की महिलाओं की कामयाबी की बुनियाद उनकी कुर्बानी है. हम आज उसी महिला के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं जिनको हमने यह इतिहास में जाने अनजाने भुला दिया. ये वो महिला है जिनकी मैं बात करने जा रही हूँ. वो है फातिमा शेख. फातिमा बेगम शेख ये पूना की रहने वाली थी और उस दौर में जब की रूढ़ी और परंपराओं की छाया हमारे भारतीय स्त्रियों के ऊपर थी, जो काफ़ी मुश्किल दौर था कि साक्षर होने का. आज हम सावित्रीबाई फुले को और महात्मा फुले को बखूबी जानते हैं, लेकिन क्या हम ये जानते हैं कि इनको सपोर्ट करने वाली, इनका हौसला अफजाई बढ़ाने वाली फातिमा शेख थी. हाँ, ये वो दौर था जब महिलाओं को साक्षर करने के कारण फुले दंपति को समाज ने बहिष्कृत किया था. तब फातिमा शेख ने उनको अपने घर में आसरा दिया. आसरा ही क्या, अपनी तमाम जायदाद, पूरी जायदाद इस काम के लिए लुटा दी. इस काम को करते करते उन्हें भी समाज की काफी परेशानियों का सामना करना पड़ा. यह काम करते वक्त उनको जब समाज ने प्रताड़ित किया और काफी हद तक जब लोगों ने उनको सताया, तो वो हार मानने वाली तो थी नहीं. उन्होंने क्या किया, इसी काम को आगे बढ़ाया और आगे चलकर मुंबई जैसे शहर में उस वक्त 1851 में और 2 स्कूल खोल डाली.
और अपनी तमाम उम्र और तमाम जायदाद इसी काम को करते करते न्यौछावर कर दी। आज ये सिर्फ भूली बिसरी याद बनकर रह गई है। आज महिला दिन के अवसर पर मैं चाहती हूँ कि हम सब महिलाएं ऐसी औरतों की कुर्बानियों को भी याद करें, जिनकी वजह से हम सब आज किसी न किसी क्षेत्र में कामयाबी हासिल कर रहे हैं।
Herzlich willkommen zur Deutschabteilung. Ja, guten Morgen alle. In the world of globalization and current era of multinationalism of business, our students are learning German in the school since 2009. They are participating in many activities held by Max Muller Women, such as Science Film Festival, workshops, Fit to Fit One exam. They are also active in the German Celebration Day and also German chat groups and attending the scholarships. They are entering into the new horizon.
Geography. It is such an important and interesting subject, isn't it, Aarti? You get to know so many things like the planet, the environment, people living on it, their culture, and so many things. And for studying geography, various instruments are used. And one of them is the telescope, which you can see right over here.
Yes, Rita, I can see nice planets and so many stars from this telescope. And it is used to see the things from the space, and it is invented by the Galileo. So we can see so many different planets from this, like Earth, Sun, or this Moon.
Now, this is our Earth. This is how it looks from space. This is the model of Earth. It is the globe. And this is one of the instruments used for studying geography. Now, using this globe, you come to know the location of any place on the Earth. You can see the North Pole, South Pole, Southern Hemisphere, Northern Hemisphere, and you can locate any place, any region on the Earth. Isn't this a very useful instrument? Isn't it?
So, like this planet Earth, we know that the sun is this moon is the satellite of the Earth, and because of this, so many things, so like tides and the seasons occur on the Earth. So, don't you think it is really a very interesting subject? Yes?
Yes, you get to study the surrounding and so many things around you. A very interesting subject.
Okay, Sujata, today we are going to show multiple images seen in two plane mirrors. Okay, when we keep these two plane mirrors at a particular angle. Now today I have taken here on this paper I have drawn 90-degree angle, so mirrors are kept at 90 degree. And here we can see the number of images seen in the two plane mirrors. Can you see here, Sujata?
Yes.
Okay, so how many images you can see?
I can see 3.
Okay, Sakina teacher, can you see? Okay, that means it obeys the formula 360 upon A minus 1. So A is the angle where we have taken the angle 90 degree. So 90 degree divided by 360 divided by 90, the answer comes out to be 4. And 4 minus 1, 3. So exactly 3 images we can see in these two plane mirrors. So likewise, when we keep these mirrors at 60 degree angle, we can see accordingly the number of images. Okay?
So, Prathamesh, I am going to show today the combination reaction. The combination reaction between sodium bicarbonate and acetic acid.
Okay.
This is a hard glass tube with a bent tube.
Yes.
In this hard glass tube, sodium bicarbonate powder is taken, and now I will be adding acetic acid, and immediately I will close this test tube with a cork so that if any gas will be evolved, that should not escape. And this tube will be inserted in the test tube containing freshly prepared lime water.
Okay.
So let us see what will happen. May I put this cork? Yes.
Now see, bubbles are seen.
Yes.
And bubbles are seen over here also.
Yes.
So some gas must be evolved, and that gas is passing through the bent tube.
Yes.
And as lime water is taken, lime water was transparent in the beginning, and lime water has turned milky, means the gas evolved is carbon dioxide gas.
Yes.
So this is a combination reaction.
Yes.
This is from 9th standard classification of plants. Okay, so 9th standard in classification of plants, we are today I will tell you about bryophyte. This is example of moss. Okay, the Funaria is a genus. It has got 210 genus of moss. Okay, which is belonging to kingdom plant. Okay, now there are basically 3 parts of this. The 3 parts are actually root-like structure is not there, but they have the results. This is the main feature. See, can you see here? All the root-like structures, they are very tiny.
Yes.
Okay. Then along with that, the leaf structure is there, and then the one which is going up. Okay, that is called the stalk, and above it is the capsule. So now this capsule, it contains the spores. So when it needs to reproduce, the spores burst, and when they fall on the ground, that time the reproduction will take place. Okay. So here what happens is that this grows. This is also called as the amphibian of the plant. Bryophyte is the amphibian of the plant. You know why? Because it needs soil also needs water also for reproduction. So it needs some land also and water also. That's why it is called as the amphibian of the plant. Okay. So what have you done today?
Yes, today my teacher, my topic is for basic second level. We introduce them the different shapes of leaves. Yes, different shapes of leaves. Like they have different colors also in it. Yes, we can see the shading is there in this shape is different. Each and every leaf is having a different shape. So we introduce them by showing the different leaves, and then we have some parallel. Yes, variation is there. Then we show them the stalk. Then this is joined to the stem of the plant. Okay. Then we have the compound leaf. Yes, this is for the introduction of compound leaf. The stalk is there, and small leaves we can see different attached to it. Yes, and this is an example of simple leaf. Yes, only one leaf with one stalk. Okay, this is the middle.
Gitanjali, can you recognize this? What is this?
This is human skeleton.
Yes, you are correct. This is our skeleton. Can you imagine our body without skeleton? No, we cannot. Because if skeleton is not there, we cannot walk, we cannot stand erect, isn't it?
Yes.
And you know, our skeleton protects our inner body parts also, internal organs also.
Yes. See, Vidya, this is a model of human digestive system.
Oh,
So digestion of food begins inside mouth.
yes, I
Okay.
know.
Now saliva also mixes with mouth, and the food gets churned or chewed inside the mouth, and bolus is formed. Now this food bolus pass through esophagus into stomach. Okay, inside stomach, the different gastric juices they are mixes with stomach, and then food slurry is formed. This food slurry now they are pushed towards small intestine. Whatever the nutrients, vitamins present inside the food, it is get absorbed into the blood in small intestine. Now this food then pushed towards large intestine. So water only absorbed. So only water is absorbed inside large intestine, and whatever the undigested material is thrown out through anus. So this is our digestive system.
Hey, look what I have got. So many shapes.
Wow.
Wow.
So colorful they are. Look.
Yes.
and rectangle too. Opposite sides are equal.
Look what I have got. It's a cube. It's a cube with all faces as a square.
Ooh.
See, I have a cuboid and all faces are rectangle. Okay. See, this is also a rectangle. When we join the edges, it gets converted into a cylinder. Isn't it?
Yes. And this cylinder has radius r and height h, and its curved surface area is given by 2 pi r h.
Hey, this is circle, and when you move this circle 4 times, you get
A sphere, and its surface area is given by 4 pi r square.
wow. Maths is so easy. It is so much fun to learn. Mathematics is so much fun. It is very easy to learn. Profits are added and losses are subtracted.
Degrees are multiplied and percentage is divided.
Geometry is full of mystery, and algebra is a big history.
Integers are different as brothers and lines are parallel. Angles are similar. Maths is very necessary in life. Without it, it is difficult to